Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. Guys, this is week 6 quiz assignment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. So guys, these are completely our probable solutions. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we'll update that in the comment section, guys. So now let's see the solutions. These are completely our probable solutions. So please watch the video till the end. Subscribe our channel. Definitely like the video so that our videos will reach more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you. And please share this with your friends and classmates, guys. First question. Suppose you and we both denote sets in Python. Under what condition can we guarantee that the condition should be like this? So this is the condition. So which of the following options are correct for first question? So for first question, the probable answer is third option, guys. The set V should be a subset of the set U. So mark third option as the probable solution for first question. Now let's move on to the second one. Guys, definitely subscribe our channel and like the video, guys, so that we can get more encouragement to do further videos. Second one, suppose you and we both denote sets in Python. Under what condition can we guarantee this expression? So for second question, first option is the probable solution. The sets you and we should be disjoint. Next, third one, third question, right? Which of the following does not correspond to a max heap on the list of values? So these are the list of values. So for third question, the second option is the probable solution, guys. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is fourth one. Consider the max heap. So this is the max heap. Suppose we apply the operation delete max. So it is delete max twice to this max heap. The resulting max heap is. So for fourth and final question, fourth option is the probable solution, guys. So mark fourth option as the probable solution for fourth question. So guys, these are the probable solutions for week 6 quiz assignment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel this, then definitely subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates, guys. So definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates. So keep supporting us like this forever, guys. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.